So VLC Media Player behaves in a certain way. And if you want to go ahead and change out how it actually goes ahead and behaves, then you can go around over here onto the tools menu, and then you can go to preferences. Once you do that, this is what you have. You got the simple preferences, and you can go ahead and change out whatever preferences that you want right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and make around the changes as needed. But when you make changes out like this, VLC Media Player might not behave as you expect it to behave in the long run. In that case, you can simply go ahead and reset out everything to default. So for that, from the simple preferences itself right here, you can go ahead on the bottom, and here you can see that reset preferences is an option. Press OK and everything will be reset. But what you need to do in order for it to fully take effect is go ahead and then reset out the application. You need to go ahead and open up VLC again, and once you do that, you will be able to see default options, and then your VLC Media Player will start to behave as it did when you first installed the application. So that is how you can reset VLC Media preferences to default preferences as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.